In this video, I will show you how to add a blur effect to an image in Canva. To get started, I click on the Create a Design button located at the top left of the homepage and select the YouTube thumbnail preset to open up a fresh blank workspace. Once the canvas loads, I head over to the Templates tab on the left sidebar to find a design. I scroll through the suggested layouts and select this colorful, fluffy pancakes template so it instantly applies across my canvas. Now I want to edit the image element within this layout. I select the heart outline and the text to clear a path, then click directly on the pancake image to activate its bounding box. From the top action toolbar, I click on Edit to bring up the full photo editing panel on the left side of the screen. In the editing panel, under the Tools section, I click on See All to expand all the available photo manipulation features, and then I select the Blur tool. This opens up the dedicated blur settings where we can customize how the effect is applied. First, I look at the brush option. I toggle the brush tab, select Add Blur, and test out the brush controls. I move the brush size slider to adjust the diameter of the brush tip, and then tweak the intensity slider to dial in the strength of the blur. With the brush setup, I paint directly over specific sections of the pancake stack, highlighting the areas where I want a selective, subtle blur applied to create localized depth. Next, I switch from the brush method to the whole image tab. Here, I drag the intensity slider all the way up and down to preview how a global blur looks across the entire graphic, setting it to a smooth level before removing it to inspect the clean photo once again. I close out of the blur editor to return to the main canvas. To reposition my element, I right-click the pancake stack to view the context menu, then simply drag and align the image neatly on the right side of the thumbnail composition. To fine-tune the look, I open Edit Image once more, navigate back to Tools, and reopen the blur setting. I adjust the overall intensity slider back down to 0 to keep the main pancake subject crisp, clear, and perfectly focused against the bold headline. Finally, I close the Settings panel, click to deselect the pancake graphic, and give the entire composition a final check. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to add blur effect in Canva.